So we have done the unboxing of this Deriy battery. This is the 5 kilowatt lithium battery from Deriy. You can see this is the specification. Okay, so you can see the specification here. You can pause the video if you want to go through that. Okay, so in the box it comes with just this guy. So this is the communication cable that comes with this battery, only that. And this is the wall mounting bracket that you can use to mount it on the wall. And on the inside, let's see, so here you can see it comes with a breaker inbuilt, so you don't need an external one. And you can see this is the address system. Okay, so this is address system, this is the dry contact, this is the RS485 port, CAN port, RS323 for battery to battery RS485 connection. Okay, so that's it. From afar, anyone who does not understand battery can easily understand this battery. That's this meter that has the percentage. Okay, you can see the battery voltage and if it's charging and discharging. Okay, so we have the lowest and highest cell here, which is average cell voltages. You can easily see the temperature as well. This is the Deriy logo, battery voltage and all. So if there's an error, you will also see it on this icon. That is the basic feature of this battery. Rep cells 100 amp hours each, and it comes with this report. Okay, so you can see this is the report. See the grade of the cells, A grade, and every other information you need to know. The capacity testing in factory was this. Okay, so you can see the cells tested 103.972 on the highest, and the lowest is 102.147. So that is all that comes in the box. So as a basic user, you can use this monitor to know all the information inside the battery pack. But if you are an advanced user like me and some other enthusiasts, so if you log into your app store, you can download the BMS app. You can see BMS, just type that. This is the app, this one you are seeing here. So I've downloaded it already, so I will just open it. Just click on that symbol. So for the first time, if you are pairing this with your phone, it will require a pairing password, which is 1234. Okay, so you enter 1234 and it will bring out this page. Okay, so on the app you can see other details that is not available on the screen, which include the power consumption from the battery, the capacity, remaining capacity, percentage, cycle count, battery cycle, battery temperatures, heat capacity in amperes, emergency timer, enter sleep mode time, and all these parameters. You can see the type is LFP batteries, average cell voltage, cell differences, balance current when it's balancing. You can know the status if it's charged on, if your charge MOSFET is on, off, or the balance is also on or off. Here are the set voltages. Okay, so most people used to ask why is one red and why is one blue. It's not an issue at all. It's just showing you the highest and the lowest cell in the pack. Okay, we have 16 cells inside this, and they will not always have the same voltages. Okay, so the highest and the lowest cells is represented by the red and black, and you can see it's jumping from one to the other. Okay, so these are the cell resistance, which is the wire connection for the balance lead, and here you have the settings. So if you don't know what you're doing, you don't need to bother yourself about this. Everything we have here has been factory set. Okay, so this is factory set and is good for day-to-day use. So if you want to do communication with inverter, then you need this app. Before that, you need to click on verify password. So 111111, verify. That will give you access to change all these settings. Please don't click on any of these icons. So if you click on this icon, it will reset your system to default. So it will reset it as if you started using it from day one. Okay, so just change only the protocol if you want to do communication. So we have the RS485 protocol. So you can see all the inverters that is supported here. If you go to CAN as well, so you can see all the inverter that is supported. So let's look at the list. So you can see Lost Power Tech is supported, Must is supported, FSS is supported, Goodwill is supported, this is also supported, Invert BMS, JK protocol itself, Magarevo is supported, Victron is supported, GrowWatt, and every inverter that has pylon tech protocol will also work, including the inverters. Okay, so that is it. We also have this function, so you can see where you can toggle discharge and charge. You can modify your password if you need that, and display always on. I like to turn this on. So let's see, let's go closely to the battery. So if I toggle on my display always on, you will see the battery screen will come up. So I recommend you leave this always on, so that whenever you want to monitor, you just check that. So every other thing is fine. Don't tamper with any of these details. Okay, so you can calibrate time if you need, but it's not needed, and that is it. Okay, so that's the advanced function of this battery. The next thing we'll be doing is a capacity test on this battery to check if what they told us here is actually correct. Okay, so thank you. If you want to order this battery, is available on solarissurge.net/shop section. Thank you very much.